Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I just wanted to show off the system that we put in today. We have the RF-7s with the RC-64 3, and we're running the reference series 15-inch subs, 2 of them, and we have the Dolby Atmos caps on this. This is all the reference Premiere, brand new for 2018, and we're running the 85-inch 900F. And if you look over here, we're running our AV separates. This system is configured as a 7.2.2, and we're running the Marantz 11-channel processor, the AV7705, and then the separate MM8077. We got our Wattbox surge protectors in here with the light kit, like I always talk about, as well as a separate OVRC Wattbox surge protector, so we control that stuff through IP. And know if anything drops off the network. We're running an Xbox One, PlayStation 4, as well as a DirecTV receiver in here. For a control system, we decided to go with Savant. And let me show you that. Pretty cool operating system. So on the Savant, you have a few different options to choose from. Services for this room. You have the Smart TV, you have the PS4, DirecTV, and the Xbox One. You just hit one button and it's going to turn everything on and turn it all to the correct input for that particular source. Same thing reflects over here on the iPad so that you can seamlessly toggle between the two. This is a great system that gives you the ability to have multi-room control. And in the future, this customer will be doing thermostats, lighting control, shades. So we wanted to start with the theater room to get his automation kicked off right. We are dealers for all of these products. I hope that you guys found this video informative. If you have questions, email us, give us a call. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again.
Engines are up and burning. Opening main doors for secondary deployment.
What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?